It's not fun. It's really boring.
But you mentioned yes a while ago when I asked you you had fun. But now you're saying it's boring. Okay, what's with it? Why is it so boring?
Because I have to stay at home all day, all week.
Hmm. How many classes did you had today?
5.
5 classes. What subjects are those?
Uh, Literature, um, IT class, um, English class, and uh, history
Mm-hmm.
and math.
Okay, so there are a lot. All right. Okay, so anyway, you had just given your homework.
Yeah.
Let me try to see that. But could you please read it aloud, dear?
Wait me a second.
This is in relation to for your writing. Where's the question that I had given? Okay.
Okay.
Hold on, let me just see the homework that I had given you. Right, can you read aloud your homework?
The pie chart and the bar chart. The bar chart below give information about the water consumption and residential water usage in Australia in 2004. Water consumption in Australia is dedicated by industry, government, business, residential apartment, and residential houses. Also, uh, the residential water usage is mainly used for bathroom, toilet, washing clothes, kitchen, and garden. Overall, uh, in the pie chart, water consumption in Australia most in residential apartments, with the proportion more than a half. Beside that, most of water used for bathroom with nearly 30%. Um, in the pie chart, residential houses show just over than a half of total industry, business, and residential apartment are nearly the same percentage as each other, about 10%, and more than that a little. The government takes 6% and less than a half of the number is the other. In the bar chart, the percentage of the bathroom is the highest with 30%. Beside that, following to the bathroom is garden with just over 25%. The water used for washing clothes is 20%, followed by toilet with 15%. The kitchen has the smallest proportion in total with 10%.
So as you can see, you may have seen what I'm noting here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, since you're using your Google Doc, okay, let's put it like here. The pie chart and the bar chart below gives information about the water consumption and residential water usage in Australia in 2004. Water consumption in Australia is dedicated by industry uh, by an industry, article. Government, by the government. Businesses, rather. Residential apartments, and rental houses. Also, the residential water usage is mainly used for bathroom, toilet, washing clothes, kitchen, and garden. Overall, in the pie chart, the water consumption, always the water consumption in Australia is mostly in residential apartment with the proportion of more than a half of what?
of total.
Right. Okay. So then you could have to put it like that. More than the half of the total percentage. Besides that, most of the water used sorry, the water used for the bathroom was nearly 30%. In pie chart house residential houses shows what? In the pie chart, residential houses shows just over than a half. Over a half is actually better. You can just remove that one. Sorry, that should be just show. Show just over a half of the total percentage. Do not remove these ones. Okay, so industry, business, and residential apartments, pluralized form, are nearly the same percentage as each other, about 10, and more than a little of what?
Of that number,
Of the latter number. The government takes 6% and less than half of the number is the other. What is the other?
it said the other in the pie chart.
Oh, in the others. Number is for the others. The other. Okay. Now, in the bar chart, the percentage of bathroom is the highest with 30%. Now, following to the bathroom is the garden with just over 25%. The water used rather for washing clothes is 20%, not following, okay? Followed by the toilet, followed by the toilet consumption with 15%. The kitchen has the smallest proportion in total with 10%. Okay, if you're going to give it like this would be much better. How many words are this? How many words are this?
I don't know. I don't know how to
You don't know how to
calculate
count?
it.
Okay, so let me try. Let me try to count it for you. Oh no. Okay. So this is 149, dear.
It's almost 150.
Yes, and I always suggest that you have to give answer that is like 150 plus,
Yeah.
right? So you have to make sure that to make it longer. Um, anyway, let's take a look into this one. Okay, so this is the chart that I had given you, right? Right,
Yeah.
so here, this is actually an example. Okay, this is exactly 150 words. Can you please read it?